Hi, my name is Ashidu Jude. I'm an educational technologist, and today we're going to be talking about using AI in schools, right? And it's mostly the ethical concerns. So, in schools using AI, what are the ethical concerns? Because now the GPTs are fully embedded in your Windows laptop, in your desktop, in your phone, and automatically means students will have access to it, means teachers who knows it will have access to it, and it will give rise to ethical concerns. For example, children using it for homework, because there are cases even in primary school that students are already using its GPTs for homework, right? So it's now give rise to schools to start deciding how they are going to tweak their policies, their tech policies in school to decide, to confirm when a child use it and when should teacher use it. So it's very important that schools begin to draft their policies. Very important, because it's going to be a way of giving parents an idea that even if our school is going tech, even if our school is going using AI, this and this level is what is allowed for students, or we don't want it to be allowed in classrooms, right? For teachers, it has several advantages. Chatbot has several advantages for teachers, from lesson plan to newsletters to even creating differentiated instructions for students, which would have been very difficult if teachers have to do it for individual students or for all their students at different times. Now, my school of thought is this. It depends on the level, but for primary school, some people believe students at that age needs to think first. They should understand how to think before they start using chatbot. So the area of chatbots that will be very good for primary school, I would say maybe the text to images or text to videos. So those are more creative ways. But from text to homework or text to assignment generation, it should be very clear what the student should present to the teacher as an assignment, because it's going to give undue advantage to students who are using it over compared to those who don't use it, or students who don't know about it. So it's very important that schools start drafting policies to decide what AI or what role AI should be playing in the classroom. Like I told you, it's good for teachers. Teachers have several advantages, but for students, it should be clear what the school administration could do or would do if a student presents it as an assignment. So it gives a good advantage in the sense that irrespective of your use of AI in your school as a teacher or as a school management, you know what you're expecting from your students, because parents did not or will not pay school fees for students to be generating using AI to submit assignments, because there might be a learning curve there, or there might be a learning advantage there, but it has to be clearly stated and it has to be well known what is cheating. It's like you're giving your students Google to use, or your student present a Google-based assignment compared to your reasoning engine, which is your ChatGPTs, which also can generate quality products or quality assignments or quality work. So it's obvious that any child who is going to be using it has to be very well monitored by the student, by the teachers, and by the school, and should be under the guidance of the school tech policy. So a school tech policy will help curb any uncertainties and any confusion that might arise in future, because it's come to stay. Yes, this AI has come to stay. So schools should be guided, teachers should be guided, and students and parents should be guided on what are the responsibilities of anybody using it as an assignment or going to use it as a way of assessment by the teacher. So let me know what you think about it.